Wife left for freedom, found out freedom don't want her. Be me. 32, married 5 years. Quiet joy, comfort, routine. She always kissed me goodnight. Called me her peace, her always. Then she finds self-worth influencers. Divorce TikToks, feminism podcasts, hot girl quotes. One day. Marriage is just a construct, I missed out on my wild years, we should explore separately. MFW. Stay silent, she calls me insecure. If it's real love, we'll come back stronger. Moves out in a week. Whole new wardrobe overnight. Crop tops, fake lashes, girls' trips. Captions, rebirth. Posts nightclub reels, gym selfies. Trainer's hand on her thigh. I'm at home folding her laundry like an idiot. Hoping she'll come back. Texts every few days, hope you're good. I eat microwave meals in silence. Replay her old voicemails just to hear her laugh. 3 months later, paperwork. Trial separation, let's revisit in 6 months. Translation, wants to test better men, keep me on standby. Break completely. 4 hours sleep, cry in the shower like a teen. House smells like her perfume, can't breathe. One morning, something flips. Look in mirror, see a ghost. Decide to rebuild. Start working out, cooking, journaling. Delete all our selfies. Find out who I am when nobody's watching. Friend drags me to a get-together. Almost don't go. End up meeting her. New girl, no filters, no ego. We talk dumb movies, deep fears, real shit. Feels genuine, opposite of performative. Start seeing her slowly. She holds my hand like it means something. Then panic.exe. Wife texts at 11:27 p.m., can we talk? Next day she shows up. Crying already, wearing my hoodie, no makeup. I thought I needed freedom, but I needed you. Tries to kiss me. I step back. Say I've moved on. She freezes, like she forgot I could leave. You're just doing this to hurt me. Me, nah, you already did that part. She begs, says she was confused, lonely, made a mistake. Wants to fix it, go back. I file for divorce instead. She spams emails. I got swept up in social pressure, I didn't think you'd really let go. Final hearing. She shows up broken. Asks if I still care. I just say, I hope you find peace. Judge finalizes it. She gets nothing. No house, no money, no second chance. She rents cold apartment. Posts sunsets and healing quotes. I make breakfast with new girl. She kisses my cheek while pouring coffee. Scroll Instagram later. X posts, funny how the ones who stay are the ones we push away. I just scroll past. She wanted hot girl summer. But seasons change. And winter hit with no one waiting.